Guys, do you like this new car game from Bubby?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, the accident. Start it again. Katie, make a bridge with it. Make a bridge. Oh, yeah, make bridges. Making a bridge with your hand. Can you change the shape of the track? Move the track around. See if you can make it a different shape. Jake, which color car do you like the best?
Orange.
The orange car?
The pink car. The pink car. Yeah.
What else do we want to say to Bubby today? You know, it's going to be Bubby's birthday soon. Should we say happy birthday a little early? Hannah, you want to play too? Okay, can everyone say happy birthday, Bubby? Jake?